our remarkable dad, who is 102.
Leo Kurtenbach has spent the past 2 weeks in hospital for heart failure. Now his daughters are returning him to his Saskatoon care home.
I would be very uncomfortable if I couldn't see him.
But for the first time in 5 months, Donna Kurtenbach is allowed through the doors.
It's wonderful. It absolutely puts our mind at ease and at rest.
In Saskatchewan, visitors are now allowed inside care homes that have achieved level 90 status. That means 90% of residents are fully vaccinated and at least 3 weeks have passed since their second dose. Those seniors can also leave their facility and return without having to quarantine. Care homes in Regina are excluded due to high community transmission.
Some of us can go see Mom on Mother's Day.
Seniors Minister Everett Hindley applauded the new policy, but of roughly 160 publicly funded care homes, 70% are not level 90, and there's no information regarding hundreds of privately run facilities.
We need to start somewhere, and as we start to get more into this, I expect that more homes will hopefully be able to reach that threshold.
As a designated caregiver, Sandra Svoboda is allowed inside this residence to bathe and feed her mother, even though residents have not had their second dose.
I've literally seen them waste away. And I'm not just talking about physically. I'm talking about emotionally. I'm talking about psychologically. This isolation has been absolutely devastating.
That's the case for 94-year-old Shirley Fay, who's caring for her husband alone.
It's really hard. My husband is failing.
But back at this level 90 facility, Donna Kurtenbach is grateful she can finally comfort her dying father.
I hope that for the short time, perhaps, that we have with him, that he can have the joy of seeing his kids.
She plans to visit him nearly every day. Bonnie Allen, CBC News, Regina.